Well, I'll tell you, I have been trying to figure out for years and years and years. I have been a big fan of Kenny's ever since the first edition. And how you do that, I'll never know. That's not easy.
You do it very well.
I love your voice, I have to tell you. I always thought if Johnny Mathis and Willie Nelson had a kid, it'd sound just like you. I like the way you do that.
You do it very well. You have to be a little more careful than I do, though. You get a black eye.
Oh, boy. That Kenny Rogers, he sure is a funny rascal, huh?
You know, I have to say something. This may not mean a thing in the world to you, but I have to tell you, you cannot imagine what a thrill it is for me to play right here on the same court that the Portland Trail Blazers play on. I mean,
yeah.
that is... I identify with those guys a great deal.
Oh, you identify with those guys? Oh, you can't score either?
Oh, come on.
Now, it's a little joke there. I'm only playing. That was ugly. I'm sorry.
It's too late.
I love you. That's why I could say.
You don't know anything about basketball. That's what.
I know enough to know I carry two of them around all day long. Don't tell me I don't know that.
Before we do anything else, I want you to know, this is the first time I've seen that dress. I think that's my favorite. I love it.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, I'm glad you like it. You don't think it's too much, do you?
I don't think it's too little. No, your zipper's broke on the side there.
Oh, is it? No. Well, I like to wear these dresses like that. I've been on the road with Kenny for several weeks now, and every day my dresses get a little shorter and a little lower. Here we are, both of us lonely, and Mary Ann out there somewhere.
Don't you start that with me. Don't you start that.
I ain't got a chance with a pretty woman like Mary Ann.
This could very well be our last show together. Okay.